Okay, so let's just begin now creating a free account on Fiverr. Here, go to fiverr.com. It will look like this. You have to click on join. It will ask for this. Let's just begin with entering your email address. I have already created a Gmail account. As you can see, I'm going to use some unreal informations for teaching purposes, as because I already have the Fiverr account. So I have used my real information already. That if I will use them again, I'm going to get banned from Fiverr. So I'm going to use some unreal informations. Assume that you go with your real informations. Here is what I am going to use. This looks like okay. Choose a username. Let's say backless. Set a password and go to join. Click on join. Okay. So as you can see that this is my Fiverr account that I have just created now. What it says, backless, you need to activate your account. Okay, so let's just activate it. Go to Gmail. This is not this. Here, as you can see, there is a message with activate your account. Here I clicked on this, and here, account successfully activated. Now click on edit your profile. Here, asking me for my full name. That is, I'm going to use a company's name, backless. So save changes. Okay, name is saved. Don't need this for the security. It is all okay. Let's say, what could it say? See, I can't change it because my protocols are there. So let's try. Already have this number connected with this. See, it's not allowing me. Just leave it for now. Go to dashboard. This is basically buyer dashboard. They are asking me to complete information, so let's just quickly complete them. On a business, I'm a freelancer. I'm assuming that you guys are going to start it as a freelancer, so I have choose the option as I am a freelancer. You can choose I'm an employee too, but I'm a freelancer. It's alright. Which industry? So these are basically the industries available on Fiverr. You can choose any one of them. I'm going to choose website, see website. Let's say wireless and mobile. Save changes. Okay, so let's just begin. So this is how you can create an account there. So there I have to add an image. Simply click on that. Backlist, logo, say here. What's your story in one line? I have to write something like one line story. Professional reason and value. Let's say this. Okay, so as you can see I have updated the profile picture and have written line. Now I have to write down a description. Hello there. We software company are expertise are of website design and development, digital marketing, app developments, graphics designing, video editing. We have a team of experienced professionals always ready to fulfill the custom demands of our clients. In this section you have to add the languages that you can speak. For me I will go with basic English, not with basic, let's say conversational. Here you can take tests. They have a lot of tests based on your skill set, and then you can connect your accounts here by simply clicking there. I've already connected this account. I don't think they will accept it. See, they have not. Let's connect my Google account. You can play around later with this and add as many skills as you think you know. This will put a positive impact on the buyers. Then there you have to add your education and certification. And this is how you will make an account on Fiverr.